Something has been going on behind the scenes of Venture Void that I have not told you about yet, and today I am going to give you just enough of a look to understand why I think it is going to change how a lot of people approach building income online in 2026. Every single video on this channel, the scripts, the voiceover, the editing, the captions, the thumbnail, the YouTube upload, the TikTok post, the Facebook post, all of it has been happening automatically, without me recording anything. Without me editing anything, without me logging into YouTube and hitting publish. I wake up, I check my phone, and there's an email telling me it is already done. I did not buy a tool that does this. I built it from scratch. Using AI, a handful of APIs, and about 3 weeks of late nights figuring out what works and what does not. And here's the part I want you to pay attention to. The channel you are watching right now, the videos, the consistency, the daily posts across multiple platforms. This is not me working hard. This is a system working for me. Now I want to be clear about something. This is not magic. It is not some push-button solution that anyone can set up in 5 minutes. It took real work to build. There were nights where nothing worked. There were API errors and broken automations and moments where I genuinely thought I had made a mistake trying to build this. But I kept going because I knew what it would mean if I got it right. And I got it right. Every morning I wake up and there is a new video live on YouTube. TikTok posts automatically. Facebook posts automatically. The scripts are written by AI. The voiceover is generated by AI. The B-roll is sourced and edited automatically. The thumbnails are created automatically. The descriptions and hashtags are written automatically. The only thing I do is exist. I am not ready to show you everything yet. But I will say this, if you have ever wanted to build a faceless YouTube channel and you have been stopped by the time it takes, the editing, the consistency, the posting across platforms, what I am about to share is going to be very relevant to you. I have been quietly building something that I think is going to make this accessible to people who are not developers, people who do not know how to code, people who just want the system to work without having to figure out every piece themselves. Subscribe and turn on notifications. What is coming next is something I have not seen anyone else put together the way we have built it here. Stay tuned. You do not want to miss this one.